The MMSI MPG AHAN 1000G power supply is an exceptional choice for any high-performance PC build. One of the standout features of this power supply is its robust 1000-watt capacity, which ensures that it can handle even the most demanding components, including high-end GPUs like the RTX 4090 and powerful processors. What truly sets this PSU apart is its build quality and reliability. It uses 100% Japanese capacitors, which are known for their durability and stability, ensuring long-term performance. The power supply is also 80+, gold certified, meaning it delivers high efficiency, reducing energy waste and keeping your system running cooler and quieter. The modular design is another major advantage. It allows for clean and efficient cable management, which makes the installation process much simpler. The inclusion of a 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan ensures quiet operation even under heavy loads. Moreover, the power supply's compact size makes it a versatile option for various case sizes, and the 10-year warranty provided by MSI offers peace of mind. In summary, this power supply combines top-tier performance, high build quality, and modern standards, compatibility making it a fantastic addition to any high-performance PC build.